Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to do your homework using Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a platform where teachers and students can share files and create assignments paperless. For this, we need to sign into our student account with the details provided by our teacher. Let's start by going to www.google.co.uk. In the top right corner, if you click on the sign in button, we will be asked to type in our email account. Click next and type in your password. Now we are signed in. But if you are already signed in your personal Gmail account, you can add the student account to your list. To do this, you'll have to click on the medallion and from the drop-down menu choose Add another account. After that, just switch in between your accounts by selecting the one you want to use. Let's go back to the waffle menu and scroll down until we find the icon named Classroom. After we click on it, a new window will open. In this window, we will see the courses we are enrolled in. In my case, it's only one, Thursday Evening Pounding. Let's click on the title, and the first thing you will see is the stream. Feel free to pause the video and explore. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will go to the next page called Classwork. Classwork is the place where we can see all the school materials put at our disposal. This includes links to video clips, useful pages, and different files uploaded by your teacher, like the homework files and materials from our lessons. I think the easiest way for a beginner to start doing his homework is by downloading and uploading a file. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Trinity Writing Exam. Let's go in by clicking on it, and after that on View Assignments. On View Assignment, you can see all the details about this homework, like the instructions on what to do, the files related to the assignment, and if there are any comments from the teachers or from the student. In my case, because I didn't do the whole homework, I let the teacher know by leaving a private comment. To download the file, we'll need to go to the file location. To do this, go back to the waffle menu in the top right corner and search for this icon called Drive. Once you click on it, a new window will open. I can imagine that for some of us this could be a bit overwhelming right now. But just follow my steps and with practice you will understand everything. Now let's click on the arrow in front of my Drive folder on the left side of the screen, and then on the arrow of the Classroom folder. Here is your course, Thursday Evening Pounding. By clicking on it, we will be shown the files we have access to. Usually these are our homework files. We are looking for the writing exam. In this case, is this one, LOM Writing Interactive. If you right click on it and go all the way down to download, you can save the file on your computer. In my case, the file was saved automatically to the default location. To go to the file location on your drive, just right click and choose Show in Folder. You can see here the saved file. That's it. We have downloaded the file and we can start doing our homework. In this case, this PDF has fields to fill in without any additional effort from us. After you completed the homework and saved the file, it's time to upload. To upload, let's go back to our assignment in Google Classroom and right click on the Add or Create button, and then on File, then click Browse. Find the file on your computer and click Open. As you can see, it's loading. Now it's done. After you added it, you have to click Hand In, and the teacher will be notified that you finished your homework and you handed it in. This is the first method and I think is the easiest way. It will take some practice to get the hang of it, so don't quit. The other way is by editing the file in Google Classroom without downloading. To do this, we will need another example. Let's go to the beginning. Click on Thursday Evening Pound Lane in the top left corner, then click on Classroom again, and let's go to the Job Adverts homework. Click on the title and then click on View Assignment. You can see the file, it's uploaded in here. For this homework, we will have to find 2 job advertisement examples and answer the questions on the worksheet. In this case, it will be easy because it's a Google document. So just left click on it and you will be prompted with a new page that has the appearance of Microsoft Word. So just type in your homework, and after you finished, it will be automatically saved. Then click in the top right corner, Turn in. Once you click on it, you will see a notification which will ask you to confirm that you want to hand in. And that's it. You can see now that you have the Submit button if you want to make any changes. But in this moment, your teacher will get an email saying that you finish your homework and it's ready to be checked. Thank you for watching.